Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and device. Make sure Bgmi and your OS are current. Once done, open Bgmi and tap the gear icon to reach settings. This is where Do Not Disturb begins. Also, check the device level notification permission. If Bgmi cannot show or mute alerts, the feature won't behave correctly. You want control at both levels, so allow or adjust permissions now. This avoids surprises later when toggling quiet modes during matches. You now enable the in-game Do Not Disturb option. Find it under Settings, typically in Audio or Notifications. Decide whether to mute only chat messages or silence all in-game sounds. Choose based on whether you still want team calls. Next, set a duration or choose automatic activation when a match starts so you don't forget. Once configured, make sure to save changes and test in a practice match. Testing proves the settings act as you expect, preventing interruptions in real games. You finish by verifying system-level Do Not Disturb rules won't conflict with Bgmi. Make sure priority contacts or alarms are configured separately. If settings don't apply immediately, restart Bgmi and if necessary reboot the device. On Android, clear the app cache to remove stale data. Make sure to test again. If problems persist, reinstall Bgmi as a last resort. This refreshes configuration files. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.